Hey guys, I'm Dory with the blog Blissful Life 5, and today I'm going to share with you how to make a flower arrangement out of a chicken feeder. I shared in our last video that we had made a trip out to Marion, Kansas to barely make an antique mill, and we purchased this chicken feeder just so I could make a centerpiece for our table. And so today I'm going to kind of walk you through how I'm going to do that. I stopped by Trader Joe's today to buy some fresh flowers. I love having fresh flowers around the house. We have them all over the place in the spring and summertime. And we're actually working on our own plot right now so that we can grow our own flowers to cut year-round. But I love going to Trader Joe's for their fresh flowers because they're affordable and they have a huge variety and they're always really healthy and just look really pretty. So that's my go-to place. If you have a Trader Joe's close by, be sure to check them out for your flowers. These hydrangeas were $5.99. The eucalyptus were only $2.99 for a bunch. I got these peonies for $7.99 for a bouquet, so just really affordable. It's a great place, great resource for fresh flowers. So first I'm going to kind of give you some tips on keeping your flowers fresh for as long as you can. Usually cut flowers, you know, they can last up to about a week at the most, but you want to get that the most time out of them that you can so you can enjoy them. So just some tips are to make sure that the container that you're using is clean. You don't want any kind of bacteria or anything getting into your flowers that will make them not last very long. And so before we got started with this, I went ahead and wiped it down with some Clorox wipes. Obviously if you have a base you can put it through your dishwasher, but just make sure that it's clean. I'm going to go ahead and pour some water into my chicken feeder here. Pour a little bit there. And then I'm going to add this flower food that comes with the flowers. This flower food is really important to add this to your arrangement. It will help them last a lot longer if you use this flower food. So I'm going to sprinkle some of this. I've got my fingers here into the water that I just poured. Oops. I'm just going to kind of, I'm making a mess, but that's okay. And I'm going to go ahead and grab the other one. And we're going to add this one in as well. And this will ensure that our flowers last as long as possible. And then I'm going to pour some more water in to make sure that they have plenty. You also want to change your water out every couple of days so that it's fresh. Okay, so now that we've got our water in there and we've made sure that our container's clean, we've got our water in there, and we have our flower food. We are ready to start arranging. I've got 3 packages of eucalyptus from Trader Joe's, and we're going to start with those. Another tip for keeping your flowers fresh longer is to cut the tip off of the flower at an angle. This allows the water to get into the stem and keep the flower hydrated longer. So we're going to clip those at an angle, you can kind of see there at the end. And then we're going to start just kind of placing them in the feeder. fresh hydrangeas, and I just use these leaves to kind of fill in the empty spaces. And now we have a gorgeous centerpiece made out of a chicken feeder. Who would have thought? So I am so excited to show this off. Let me hear from you in the comments if you decide to give this a try. If you have any other questions about flowers or how to keep them fresher longer or anything like that, shoot me a comment. I would be glad to get back to you on that. And of course, you could always use faux flowers. Obviously, if you want to do an arrangement like this, it would last longer to use faux flowers, so you can definitely do that as well. But that eucalyptus just smells really good. And so this was really fun. I hope you enjoyed it, and hit that subscribe button. We'll have more fun DIY tutorials for you coming up. See you next time.